Welcome to our channel. Today we how to request replacement BCBS insurance card guide step by step clearly. To request a replacement BCBS insurance card, start by locating your member information. Visit the official Blue Cross Blue Shield website. Log into your account using your username and password. If you don't have an account, click on the register link to create one. Once logged in, navigate to the Member Services section. Look for the option labeled Request Replacement Card. Click on that option to begin the process. Follow the prompts to confirm your identity. You may need to provide personal information, such as your date of birth and member ID. Review your request carefully before submitting. After submitting, you should receive a confirmation message. Keep an eye on your email for any updates related to your request. If you prefer, you can also call the customer service number on the back of your current card. Explain your situation to the representative when you speak with them. They will guide you through the process of obtaining a replacement card. Make sure to provide any necessary details they may ask for. Note that it may take several days for the new card to arrive by mail. In the meantime, you can access your digital card through the BCBS mobile app. This app can be downloaded from your device's app store. Once you have the app, log in to access your insurance details. This can be a temporary solution until your physical card arrives. Keep your card in a safe place once you receive it. Review your card for accuracy to ensure your information is correct. If you notice any discrepancies, contact customer service immediately. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.